Hi everyone, this is Christina and my channel is In the Garden, and today I have about, I don't know, hour and a half after work, and I am going to take soil, it is composting soil, to top dress my beds. So I only have time to do the front right bed today and then the circles around the trees, and all my bulbs are starting to come up out of the soil. The compost you're going to put on top makes its way into the soil, and so one of two things happens. It works its way into the soil beds and it starts to feed the plants. Of course, that's one thing that it does, but the other is that it kind of, that top layer, it doesn't erode, but it kind of makes its way into the cracks and crevices of all of the dirt pile flower bed that you've come up with, so it fills in all the pockets. So every year we top dress it one more time because we want to add layers on top of the existing layers, because as the bulbs pop up you can kind of see that some of the soil has made its way away from the top of the bulb, and what I want to do is I want to create a shelter for the tops of the bulbs and a place for the bulb to get its nutrients and grow. And I also don't want them to pop up out of the soil because we have small dogs and really high winds, and so these things just kind of naturally work themselves out of the soil. So we're going to cover it so that it creates nutrients for the bed, so we're refeeding the bed, and it also covers those tops of those bulbs. With that, we're going to go out front. We have on the flatbed trailer the soil that we picked up. It is composting soil. It's a top dress and it's really dark and rich and full of nutrients, and we're going to spread that all on the front beds that aren't needing to be. I want to show you something real quick. So to avoid where your root flare is, you can make a little bit of a well all the way around. And that way you're not suffocating these breathing roots at the top or the root flare. And then you can kind of grade it down. And ideally, the boys put a little bit too much. Ideally you have a little bit of lip all the way around. Are you cold? Is it freezing? Oh, baby. Yep, just go all the way around. Get the tumbleweed out of there. Okay, baby, get off the tree. See this bulb poking out? I just want to create some shelter. Get out of there. Look at him messing it up. Buddy. Okay, so it's the end of the night. It's dark outside. It's freezing. And we put the composting soil on the 3 trees, which were the autumn blaze maples that we put in, and then we put it on the right bed. So that's all we'll have time for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.